time to upgrade our office. Hi YouTube, this is Papa Keeves and you just got me taking a break. So for this video, actually mukhang this will be parang a long series of multiple videos kasi ang balak ko kasing gawin is to upgrade our office setup. Kasi una si Mrs. the company she's working for permanently moved to a work from home setup and malapit na to nursery age si batang maliit namin, and mukhang magiging study from home pa rin ang setup by next year. We thought about updating or upgrading yung current office setup namin to accommodate pati yung learning place ng batang maliit namin. So yun, so here is our current office setup. Ayan. Okay. So this part is yung spot ni ARmomMY. So yan. The bed, actually galing ko sa master's bedroom, nilipat namin dito kasi nung time na nilipat namin siya dito is yung time na natatakot kami na baka malaglag yung batang maliit namin pag natutulog kasi ang likot niya na. Ang mangyayari dyan is babalik siya sa master's bedroom kasi medyo mas coordinated na yung batang maliit, so okay na. And nagkakaroon kami ng excuse para hindi muna masyadong iligpit yung mga bagong laba. So yun, so we're changing this to a sofa bed kasi ang nakakatulog lang naman dito madalas is ako, and so one person lang, so a small sofa bed will work. Kasi ito yung current na parang spot ko. Yan. So, ayusin ko lahat yan. So ang bala ko talagang gawin is more or less, itong spot na to will stay the same. Ayusin ko lang yung parang layout nung laptop and monitor ni ARmomMY. Para mabigyan siya mas malaking parang desk space. So, I might raise ito tsaka ito on a monitor arm. So, yun ang bala kong gawin. Tapos, dito, itong side na to, from here, the edge of the TV to here, gagawan ko ng parang BTS corner si ARmomMY para dun sa mga collectibles niya na kinokollect niya. Kasi medyo, papansin niya, medyo napupuno na pati sa ilalim. So, gusto ko naman ma-display niya yung mga iniipon niya, di ba? So, mawawala tong part na to. Under here, most likely mga shelves lang for the display and yung mga comics and mga books namin. Tapos, itong part na to, itong current link part yung current spot ng system ko, dito mapupunta yung parang magiging isang computer. And that computer will be used by ARmomMY and yung batang maliit namin. When ARmomMY is doing her typing or outside of work, mga computer activities, dyan ko rin isa-set up yung printer. And pag yung batang maliit naman, if ever she goes into parang yung mga games like Roblox, Minecraft, ko siya dito. And dito rin magiging yung parang niya, for homeschool setup niya. So I'll set up a system for those two main users, ARmomMY and batang maliit. Okay? And then i-extend ko yung desk na yon hanggang doon sa dulo kasi doon naman mapupunta yung spot ko. So yan, bala ko sa table is we currently have these 3 tables, 1, 2, and 3 na ginawa ni cousin-in-law. And yun, gagawin ko silang mga desk stand kasi papagawa din kami niyan ng isang parang tabletop that measures around 120 inches by 28 inches para maging tabletop dito, and dito sa mga tables na ginawa niya doon ko ipapatong para at least mas makatipid lalo. extend lang siya doon, and then yung spot na yan magiging sofa bed, more or less. And then, again, wala akong masyadong gagalawin dyan. Just fix some cable management and tawag dito. And fix yung parang desk space ni ARmomMY para mas lumaki yung desk space niya. So, yan. So, that's it. Basically, short video lang kasi intro lang talaga. And I think this will be a very long parang series of videos. Kasi gagawin ko siya, I'll do parang video updates every time na may major update with how the upgrade is going. Kasi unang-una, medyo malaki yung spaces, malaki yung mga gagalawin, maraming mga i-move. And secondly, I still have to accumulate the budget para dun sa mga upgrades namin, specifically for the computer kasi may dalawang system. And that might take longer. Ang deadline ko naman is at least February next year, since by March magsa-start yung parang school year ng batang maliit namin. And kailangan at least prepared na yung parang spot niya dito sa work, learn, and play room namin. Bakit naman siya naisip na gawin? Since this is already parang working for our needs. Ang gusto namin kasi mangyari is, lalo na para sa batang maliit, we have a space that is specifically designed for a certain task. Parang makondisyon yung utak mo na yun lang gagawin mo sa kwarto na yun. Like, sa bedroom namin, as much as possible, no gadgets, walang TV, bed lang talaga. So, pagka nandun ka, your mind is already conditioned na matutulog ka lang or magpapahinga ka lang. And dito, ang gusto namin, mako-condition kami na pag nandito kami, it's either we work/learn and play dito sa room na to. So, yun ang gusto namin gawin. And since yun nga, magiging permanent na rin na work from home si ARmomMY, and then we were really leaning towards homeschooling yung batang maliit namin. Even before we were leaning towards yung parang setup na yun. Parang we were already thinking about going the homeschool route kasi parang mas para sa amin it's a good alternative for learning para sa mga bata. So yun, that's basically it. So I think this is the shortest video ever since my first video. So yay. Kasi parang lumalabas na ako lagi sa 15 minutes. Pero yun nga, this will be parang in exchange for this short video, we'll have multiple videos moving forward. And siguro every once a month magkakaroon ng update yun. Hopefully before the end of the year matapos siya, pero I doubt it kasi nga yun nga, I'll have to accumulate the budget to actually get the parts. I think naman more or less for the whole setup, it's gonna be hindi naman siya ganun ka-pricey kasi we're gonna reuse a lot of stuff na nandito na. Ang talaga magiging pricey lang is yun, the parts for the additional parang PC for this room. So yun, I think that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, click like. If you disliked it, dislike. If you want to watch my previous videos, you can subscribe to the channel and check on my video library. If you want to be notified when I upload next week's video, just click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button, and I think that's it. So again, this will be a long multiple video upgrade, so I hope you can come along for the ride habang ina-update ko siya, and hope you can chill with me again next week when this stay-at-home dad takes another break. Bye.